How to download Cuphead on PC. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download Cuphead on PC. So the first thing you're going to have to do is download Steam application on your device. You can do that by opening up your Google or any other web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. And then tap on the search bar and search for Steam download. Hit enter. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the first link to download Steam from here. It will download an installation file on your PC. Now then you should be able to search for Cupheads on Steam. So this is a very old game. Now once you have downloaded Steam, all you need to do is go ahead and open it up and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll find this search icon at the top. All you need to do is search for Cuphead. Now click on the first game that you see here. You'll be taken directly to the games page. Now here are a lot of options. You can buy different kind of bundles and games with the soundtracks and many more. So I'm just going to add this original Cuphead to my cart. Go ahead and click on add to cart. And if you want to know more about the game, you can do that by scrolling down and then read about this game. Now in order to access your cart, you'll find it up top at the top right. Here are other items on my cart as well. So let me just quickly remove these. All you need to do now is select this for my account, or if you are trying to give this to someone, you can do that as well. But I'm just going to keep it for my account now. It's going to cost you $5.73. Now click on continue to payment. There are a lot of options that you can pay from, like your PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and many more. So let's say if you want to pay with your Visa card, go ahead and click on it, enter your card details like a number, expiration date, CVV code. After you've done that, you're going to have to enter your billing information like your first and last name, city, billing address, postal code, and other options. Then just click on continue and then continue on with your payment. After that, the game will be added to your library. You'll be able to find this game here and you can download it on your PC and enjoy playing the game. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.